Thank you for watching Home Movies review of FatMan PigPen BBQ in Mebane, North Carolina. What started out a couple of years earlier as a food truck became a Mebane restaurant when PigPen FatMan BBQ moved into the Buffalo Lanes building in spring 2024. For our review, we visited at lunchtime on a weekday. Here, owner Jay Starnes, who more often is found back in the kitchen, is taking a customer's order. The brisket sandwich was delicious. I loved the sauce. It has a savory barbecue flavor, just tangy enough, not heavy or overpowering, and not too sweet. The mac and cheese was tasty and paired well with the sandwich. Adding a little salt and pepper at the table made it even better. Before we reveal our ratings for PigPen FatMan BBQ, let me tell you that I rarely rate 10 for taste and quality, reserving that rating for the best of the best, usually truly exceptional gourmet fine dining. My meal was outstanding, and I gave it a solid 9, highly recommended. Service was good. The staff was friendly and helpful. The ambiance was fine for casual dining. The seating was comfortable. The seats and tables were clean, and the tables were well spaced. In terms of presentation, the food looked great to me, but you can decide based on what you saw in this video. Check out their weekly specials on their Facebook page. You can also check them out on Instagram and order online at thepigpen.com.